Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today is just a regular weekend and we're going to the park. We're gonna hang out with our kids and look at Pande Bossy. Look at him. Daniel just chilling, you know, guys.
Okay, boss.
I think he's a real boss though. Yeah, he got his shades.
I don't want to take it out.
Yeah, and he doesn't want to take it out. And Leo got his watches. Leo, show your watch. Yeah, it's a Mario watch. Good. You love it. Yeah, so kids get swag too. Look at him. Nobody bossier than Daniel. For sure, nobody bossier than Daniel. Yeah. Bossy? You're shy? You're not supposed to shy when you're bossy. Yeah man, alright, so now we're in a KFC line because we're gonna take some KFC food with us. Yeah, nothing know about KFC. Yeah, we're gonna spend some family time. Yep, and we're going to Kingston. Alright, yeah, we're going to the park.
Surprise you, which park?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. Secret, let's go guys. Oh.
Oh, thanks. Get the juice, man. Yeah, something. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, food that's good.
Yeah, because guys, sometimes I have to check KFCs because KFC bug because sometimes some items them get missing. I want all my chicken and stuff. Yeah. More to enjoy until my belly full and ready for bus. Why are you eating us biscuits? Everything there? Coleslaw there? I like coleslaw. I don't know. Have to check good. Yeah man, that's what we do before we drive off. Yeah, alright. Stop nom it. These are for the picnic. These are for the picnic. So, guys, so we will pack up for the picnic with our KFC. Yeah, when we go out, like picnic and stuff, we always buy KFC because over Jamaica and KFC are the best KFC. And I tell you, I try KFC almost everywhere: Asia, Europe, and America. I can officially say Jamaica and KFC are the thing, you know. I tell you, even when I went back to Russia, I was like, let me go to KFC. I'm not really a KFC fan in Russia. Back in Russia, I don't really eat KFC like on a regular. Yeah, and here in Jamaica, I eat KFC like at least once per 2 weeks. At least, yeah, at least once per week. Yeah, so I went to a Russian KFC and said, I'm gonna give Russian KFC a try because I wanted to compare. If for me that never really, you know, looked on KFC with, you know, yeah, never gave KFC credit. So I ordered Russian KFC and I was like eating it, chewing, and like I was like, no, that's not a KFC. That's some, I don't know. But Jamaican KFC up top, pan level. I tell you, are you in Jamaica? Go to the KFC. Go to the KFC. If you want to enjoy your meal, try Jamaican KFC. Yeah.
French fries?
Alright guys, we're gonna do road. Kids begging me already some French fries. They want a French fry. Yeah, and French fries good to eat when it's hot. Yeah. So we're probably gonna shell it no French fries. Yeah. And people say, Swaggy, you look fluffy. Just the other day somebody said to me in the supermarket, because you know I go to the same supermarket for almost like a year or 2 years or something, so people know me there. So they say, look at me, say, Swaggy the other day just look fluffy. I say, oh, me not gonna look fluffy, and so much good food there in Jamaica, of course we're gonna look fluffy, but yeah, I have to still look, you know, and kind of keep a track what I eat, looking at my plate, what I eat, how much I eat, because if you're gonna lose it, you're gonna lose it. You're gonna lose your body for sure. And it's very not easy here in Jamaica because the food is sweet like sugar. Yeah. Alright guys, we're heading to the park, and I am going to show you guys what going in there. Yeah, we're going. I'm just glad to be out, and today is the weekend. It's time to, you know, and go to the kids. They were at school all the week here, so family time. Yeah guys, family time. Nothing over it. Yeah, we're heading to the park and see you guys there. Leo, скажи привет. Всем привет. Всем привет. Это Leo. И Даня, скажи всем привет. Danny sleeping. Danny just kiss him teeth. Danny just kiss him teeth and said, hey guys, me to say so. But I'm off to sleep. Alright guys, just I go do road. We came to the Hope Garden Zoo and Park. Leo with us. Harold there. Everybody there. Yeah, just walking. Daniel said he doesn't want to walk, so I'm carrying the bossy. You don't like it, Danny? Give me.
Yeah, it's not. What is this?
Oh, the clown there.
Yeah, see the clown? You're going too early. You go this, huh?
Why are not so big?
You never go to say this.
Which side? Down there, yeah, it looks cool to me too. Leo, хочешь хот-дог? Хот-дог хочешь, Лео? А? Лео? Нет, не хочешь? Ну ладно. Так, все. Yeah, guys, we're trying new spot. Let's see what's down there. Never really went down there before. Yeah, but still a lot of people chill here, so it's like it's not a bad spot neither. Yeah. Yeah guys, like I said, a lot of people come here to take pictures, wedding pictures, baby showers, and just kids pictures. Yeah, it's a nice spot, and I think that's where I should shoot my dance video. Yeah, probably I should have hold it a little bit and come here because it really looks good here. Look, people down there take pictures, and down there people dining, also eating, and take a picture down there. So yeah, that's where I should have shot it, but couldn't hold my feet though. You know guys, sometimes when I make a dance video, I make a dance routine, I just want to shoot it fast because I am very impatient, and yeah, just want to let it out first. Leo, pojam. Иди сюда. Yeah, that's why. Hi! Hi! Oh guys, somebody spot me down there. Yeah guys, so far everywhere we go people say hey. Yeah man, people know we do, even when I wear a mask. I mean, even people without me, them recognize her easily though, even if he wears a mask. Yeah.
Up? Alright, Daddy gonna clean it.
What's going on, guys? We are landing here. Yeah. This is the spot.
I know why this
under the tree. This tree looks huge though. Yeah, we're trying to set up the stand so we can actually record a mukbang for you guys. Our KFC mukbang. Yeah, so it's about 3:30, about 4 o'clock, and you see the sun went down, so the weather is cool and it's chilly. Yeah. So look at this tree, big too though. Whoa. This tree probably saw more than 3 generations, you know. It's big and huge. What are you saying, Nero?
You want to sit?
I am just amazed. I'm just amazed because so many trees. I could see them all them still there, you know. Like human being lives 100, but them trees probably stand like 500 years. Yeah, what human being life compared to something. Yeah, we life short, yeah, guys. So let's not talk about sad things. Yeah, but so it goes. But yeah, we have to enjoy. Now we're going to enjoy for sure though with our KFC mukbang. The deal is
Hot Wings box. Yeah,
Hot Wings box. That's what we usually buy. This is our fave here. So
favorite.
Yeah. So inside we got like 3 little pieces of wings, barbecue wings, and 2 big pieces of chicken. Yeah. Yeah. So my favorite is wings. My favorite are wings. Definitely, I love wings.
And kids them get popcorn chicken.
Yeah, cause them. Wait, but Leo said he wanted to eat big chicken, you know? Are they a big chicken? No? Alright.
That looks chicken too.
What's that?
Him.
Who? What, the guy over there?
Yeah.
They're taking pictures. The guy up little Hope Garden. First recommend on this side of the garden. The place big though.
Is this big garden?
Yeah, this is a big garden.
Is this giant tree? And it's going down bad plants? Why is going down all
no, the leaves fall. Because the leaves fall off the tree.
Whoa, now look at all the plants is bad. Look at all of them.
You know, so the guy told me some of them trees are more than 200 years old.
That's what they were saying.
Look for the wood that thick. For the chunk of the tree thick.
Guys, so this is what we got in the KFC. This is like a pastry. I don't really like it, but Errol don't really like it neither.
A biscuit.
A biscuit, yeah. The coleslaw salad. I don't know, guys, if in other Caribbean countries you have similar things. Yeah, if you're from other Caribbean islands, tell us if the KFC looks similar to Jamaican one.
I don't know, people.
Yeah, people listen.
Maybe a wedding.
Wedding
something, yeah. What do you call it? After the wedding.
After the wedding?
When your wedding finish, I'm going to have like a dinner and stuff like that.
Okay, yeah, I understand.
And you want to set up chairs on there, so. Stuff like that.
For the guests, son. Do you have in Jamaica tradition that guests whoever come to the wedding, they need to carry something like a really valuable gift to help new family to build wealth, I think? Like in Russia, we have a tradition, like if you're invited on something like that, you know, you have to carry, even sometimes people carry washing machine or something like to contribute to a fresh family, a new couple, you know, young couple, young family.
Yeah.
You have it in Jamaica too?
Somebody might bring a blender or something in the house.
Okay.
Might get envy for money.
Yeah. So in Russia, when we have weddings, normally all the presents can cover this part of the wedding, you know? Yeah.
Can cover everything like the
everything, yeah. The table can cover. Yeah. Because some people bring, like, sometimes even a kitchen they can, you know, give as a present to the people, yeah.
Yeah, in Jamaica, depends where your family to have money and your friends have money, you get lavish things. Yeah. Maybe some couple get a car from them friends.
Wow.
Or from them parents.
I want a friend like that.
It all depends on your
situation.
Yeah, like a network. Them budget. Bring some money, please.
So, guys, look what we found. Leo, беги туда, в листочки. Look how much leaves there. Да. Yeah. Wow. We just have nothing to do though. Something is moving. Guys, so look how it is. Ooh, under the tree. Leo?
No, it's underwater.
Yeah, guys, so look at those huge leaves. Like, I mean, they are very huge though. See? Bigger than Daniel's head. Wait, Danny, come. You see, guys? Bigger than Daniel's head. It's autumn in Jamaica. Autumn in Jamaica. Kids never saw autumn in Russia. So, see, guys? Here is autumn in Jamaica. In Russia, when it's autumn time, the leaves are falling down and it looks just exact like that. So kids never experience autumn, so yeah man, you can experience it now. Leo, it's a osin. Autumn in Russian means osin. Osin. And we call it this period golden autumn. Золотая осень. Да? Смотри, как тут классно, да? Alright guys, we're gonna move. Let's move. Let's go, Leo. Come. Guys, you can shoot a movie here. The way the view is so pretty though. Ready for the movie, some historical movie. If you know, what does it mean on the bench? Why those people are written here? Maybe they put bench, I don't know, or they put the tree. I don't know, you know. Tell me now if you know. Guys, we were laughing with her just now. By the way, make sure you carry some little change with you, because toilet here is not free. 30 JMD for one visit. So make sure you have some change in your pocket in case. Yeah, we're going home. Oh, what's up with mask? Yeah guys, we are going home now, heading home, because park closes at 6 p.m. so they normally tell people to move at least at 5:30, so that way they have enough time to close the park. Yeah, I'm on 6 p.m. today. We need to skedaddle, but it was a nice day. I really love it. I enjoy it. Family gathering was cool. Yeah man. You guys see the name of the garden? Hope Gardens. So may I wonder why gardens, or not one garden? Yeah, probably those sections, different gardens. Alright, so yep, we're going.
Respect. No one knows since young youth them watch the channel. Think of you all. What do you think? Respect.
Alright.
In Ukraine as well. Oh, you study in Ukraine? Yeah.
Oh.
You can speak Russian? Yeah.
Привет.
How long have you been studying there?
Just 3 years now.
Oh, so not study. Engineering?
No, medicine.
Medicine.
Yeah.
Wow.
Doctors.
Yeah.
Come back and make the millions.
Oh, so you're on vacation?
Yeah.
You're gonna go back to Ukraine?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Wow.
How many years now? Maybe 4 years each?
No, 3 more years.
3 more years.
Yeah.
Yeah, 6 normally are medicine.
It's
But Ukraine is still Europe, so you guys not really getting that bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really good to meet you, man. Like in the flesh.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Take care. Oh, and one question: what do you think about racism in Ukraine?
Racism in Ukraine, like,
does it exist?
No, it doesn't. Actually, like,
okay.
Like just being there in Ukraine on a whole, like, I've never actually experienced it. That's one thing I'm proud to say.
Okay.
Yeah, like Ukrainians on a whole, even though like Ukrainians are a lot more just well, they'll tell you what's on their mind, but I've never actually met a racist Ukrainian.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
That's good.
Yeah.
All right. So how about you? No.
Right, it's the same for me.
Same.
They're generally
Everything
really chill,
so far
but
good.
They tell you their mind.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Take care. Safe trip back to Ukraine. And yeah, man.
What the school name? Probably check it out.
Oh, Kharkiv National Medical.
National.
Kharkiv International.
Guys, see? Yeah, doctors, them there. Them are gonna carry Ukraine medicine to Jamaica. All right. Yeah. Good. Yeah, man. You see? Yeah, really nice. Yeah, I just want to go here because I like it's pretty. No, you know what I wanted to show you?
This?
No, down there's a one lady washing the clothes. Guys, we found a lady washing her clothes. Yes, she's just washing it. You see? Yeah. See? She'll wash her clothes there, see? Это бабушка. Бабушка means old lady. In Russian, бабушка моет, стирается. Видишь? Стирку устроила.
Fish inside there?
Yeah.
Don't think fish in there though. Oh, little fishes, yeah man. Little fishes there, yeah man.
The way she's so small.
Fishes.
Mom, look at all the fish.
They are small, yeah, little fishes. Yeah, but yeah, guys, this place is really pretty. And there is a wedding down there, yeah. Alright guys, so I think it's the end of the vlog. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for love and support. Appreciate it. And like, subscribe and share as usual. And bye. Take care. Have a good weekend.